In 2011, Pulsar secured a 47% market share in its segment with an average monthly sales of approximately 86,000 units. As of April 2012, the sales of Pulsar surpassed 5 million units. Even though the exclusive TV commercial celebrated the sales of over 10 million Pulsars in 2018, what's even more interesting is its production at the Bajaj Motorfactory costing $56 million. What's the production process behind Pulsar bikes? What's the history of Bajaj? Join us as we explore the making of one of the world's most beloved bikes and its production process. The Bajaj Motorfactory is located in Chakan, about 30 kilometers away from Pune. It was established in 1999 and has grown to become one of the most advanced motorcycle factories in the world. It employs close to 5,000 workers and produces up to 4,000 motorcycles a day. The factory also makes bikes for KTM, which are exported to local and international markets. Among the top Pulsar bikes, the Bajaj Pulsar RS200 stands out for its sporty design, fuel injection, projector headlamps, and anti-lock braking system. The Bajaj Pulsar NS200 is a naked street bike with triple spark technology, perimeter frame, and rear monoshock for exceptional handling. For those looking for a more practical option, the Bajaj Pulsar 150 offers a comfortable ride with features like a front disc brake, clip-on handlebars, nitrox suspension, and LED tail lamp. Side note, the Bajaj Group is an Indian multinational conglomerate founded by Jamnalal Bajaj in Mumbai in 1926. The group comprises 40 companies and its flagship company, Bajaj Auto, is ranked as the world's fourth largest 2- and 3-wheeler manufacturer. The manufacturing process of the Pulsar starts with the fabrication of its frame. The frame is made of high-grade steel and is created by a series of cutting-edge machines that bend, weld, and shape the steel into the iconic shape of the Pulsar. The frame is then sandblasted to remove any impurities before it moves on to the next stage of the manufacturing process. The engine is the heart of any motorcycle, and the Pulsar is no exception. The engine block is cast from a high-strength aluminum alloy and is designed to deliver maximum performance and efficiency. The engine components are manufactured in-house at the Bajaj Motorfactory and are subject to rigorous quality control checks to ensure that they meet the highest standards set by the company. Once the engine components are ready, they are assembled by a team of skilled technicians who meticulously put each piece in place. The engine is then tested for performance and durability before it is fitted into the frame of the motorcycle. The next stage of the manufacturing process is the wiring and electrical work. The Pulsar is equipped with a host of electronics, including a digital instrument cluster, LED lights, and a host of other features. The wiring and electrical work is done with precision, and each wire is carefully routed to ensure that there are no loose connections or short circuits. The bodywork of the Pulsar is what makes it stand out from the crowd. The body panels are made of a high-quality, thermoplastic material that is injection molded to ensure that each panel is of the same quality and finish. The panels are then painted with a high-quality paint that is applied using state-of-the-art paint equipment. Once the bodywork is complete, each motorcycle is assembled, and the final quality checks are performed. Each motorcycle is subjected to a battery of tests that includes a road test, a vibration test, and a noise test. This ensures that every Pulsar that leaves the factory is of the highest quality and meets the stringent standards set by the company. The Bajaj Motorfactory is a testament to the company's commitment to quality and excellence. The factory employs thousands of skilled workers who work tirelessly to ensure that each motorcycle that leaves the factory is of the highest quality. The company invests heavily in research and development, and this is reflected in the cutting-edge technology and equipment that is used at the factory. The manufacturing process of the Pulsar is a sight to behold. It's a symphony of precision engineering and cutting-edge technology that comes together to create a motorcycle that is more than just a machine. The Pulsar is a symbol of India's rise in the world of two-wheelers, and it's a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the people who make it. What's your favorite Pulsar bike among all? Please share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.